Today we're going to remove and repair the headliner in a T1N Sprinter. As you can see, it looks almost like coffee stains up here. Water's been leaking in here for some time. It looks absolutely horrible. We'll have it looking like brand new by the end of the day. So let's start out. We've got a T25 bit, Torx. Headlight or dome light comes out with a little metal tab over here. One tab to push on the side so that disconnects. There we go. A-pillar plastic just snaps off. Get a good hold on it. Pull it off. Same on this side. There we go. And the same size bit, T25. Oh, no it's not, it's T20. And there's always one hiding right under here. And that should come away. Easy to tell your screws apart. One's holding the foam on, have a little washer. The ones holding the visors on do not. Washing bar here. Start with this has to come loose. The B pillar here is going to come out kind of the same way the A pillars did. Just tug on the right spots. Broke off up here. Unfortunate, but not critical. Yeah, it's got several clips along the way, so I'm gonna get my hand in behind it and try to pry each one out. That one broke. There it goes. All right, so the top's out enough we can get at the headliner now. And we'll just start working it loose. Now it's got some plastic clips along this top edge that we just need to pull out. There's one. And there go the rest of them. And we'll go right out through the passenger door then.